So for this we need a reference. You can take any printout, and here I am using this OHP sheet. You can use glass sheet also. Just wipe it clean so that there is no dirt on OHP sheet with a clean cloth. And this is it. Here I am using this spherical outliner 3D cone. This is, you can use a glass liner also 262. Here I am using this golden outliner. This is golden pearl metallic gold outliner. This is also equal good as a glass liner. So we'll start. So I'm taking this writing pad here and placing my picture and a glass sheet in this manner, and with the masking tape I'm just going to secure its place so that a painting doesn't move. So now I have secured the place. Now I'm going to just border the outline with this fabric outliner. So let's start. So here in the teeth I'm going to use this pearl outliner. So now it is done with the borders. Now let this dry completely for 24 hours, and then we are going to color with the glass colors. Okay, so let it dry completely. Friends, it's completely dry now. Now I'm going to use here this camel water based colors. You can use solvent based also. So here are red, blue, lemon yellow, brown, green, emerald and magenta. So we are going to start coloring the color and just pull it. If there is a bubble, then just wipe it and see that till the clear color comes out. So now this is a cherry red which I am going to use here. now our color part is done. Let it dry completely and then we'll make some detailing work on it so that it enhances the look. So let it dry completely for at least 10 hours and then we'll make the detailings. See, now I have made the borders here. Now the color is also dry. You can just once again with the help of liner just line it to make it a clean borders in this manner. Now it is dry and it is completed. See how beautiful this looks. See this? And now you can keep any color paper for the background. So I had chosen this yellow color for the background. See how beautiful this looks. So let's frame it. So friends, I'm done with the framing part. I have chosen the black frame because it complements the yellow background. You can keep background as white also and frame as per your choice. Okay, and please I forgot to tell you, just spray a varnish on your painting to protect it from the fungus, and also take this mirror frame because it will protect your painting from pollution and dust also, so it will last longer. And please do comment me how do you find this video, and do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.